Hello viewers, welcome once again to Adishia TV. The Mama Kwaba Ediba Adishia TV. So the Sunyani Outer Ring Road. This is lot 1 from Alaska Junction all the way to New Doma, passing through Old Abysim. From Abysim, Alaska Junction, passing through Old Abysim to New Doma. This is Sunyani Outer Ring Road. Kofi Job Company Limited is working, making the gutters on both sides. They are still working, and there are some earthworks going to be done. You can see the earth, the sand, the earth, the red earth lining up. Look at the caterpillar behind there, about to spread them on the road. So they are doing earthworks at the same time, doing the gutters and culverts from different portions of the road. These trailers, or what do we call these cars, that carry the earth, the red earth, are pouring them down. And the caterpillar, they have lined them up. And from my understanding, the caterpillar will be ready to got the caterpillar behind. Will be ready to, spread it. This is Sunyani Outer Ring Road. You can see more red earth coming. More red earth coming. We are ready to work. More red earth coming. More red earth. More red earth. Unloading. The Zonda tipper is unloading. Yes, Trust Zonda. Kofi Job Company Limited unloading. The red earth. About to dump it, and the caterpillar is behind, ready to spread. Yes, this is Sunyani Outer Ring Road. This is Adishia TV. The project continues unabated. Remember to subscribe and like the video, share the video. More tippers are coming. You can see. The work continues. They are offloading more red earth. Offloading more red earth. Yes, this is from Alaska Junction all the way to New Doma, close to the army barracks. Close to the army barracks. They are offloading more red earth for earthworks. This caterpillar is on. The engine is on. Even though you can see the driver is not inside at the moment, but this caterpillar is on. The engine is on. We can hear it. It's ready to spread the red earth. Yes. Ready to spread the red earth. You can see it. You can see it. Engine is on and ready to work. So all that way leads to Alaska Junction in Abysim. That is Sunyani Outer Ring Road. More tippers are passing through. going to get more earth to come back here. You can see Kofi Job Company Limited. The road works are going on. Applause to the Ghanaian people, applause to the government, applause to the contractors, applause to the government and the presidency, the judiciary, the parliament, all the political parties, all Ghanaians. We applaud you. Thank you for this project. This year TV will try to move around the country and bring you more news from our roads, bring you more pictures from our roads. This is about to be offloaded. About to be offloaded. It's about to be offloaded. Ya boda bro. The road project continues.